Hello, welcome to my watercolor gathering today. I'm really happy you joined me, and I hope this helps you in your watercolor journey. So I'm pretty excited about this mixed media that I completed yesterday. You'll see that there's a lot of different techniques I've used. I did a background of tissue paper glued to watercolor paper, 140-pound cold pressed. Then once that was dried, I added some torn sheet music, and I glued that with Elmer's glue and a little water. So the Elmer's glue wasn't quite as thick as it comes out of the tube or the bottle. And these pieces of sheet music will become the breaking waves in the final painting. And then I recently purchased these Dylusions ink sprays, and I sprayed over the dried tissue paper, and I just used two of the colors, and they're so intense and so much fun to use in this application. I did at one point cover up the sheet music to keep some of the weight of it so I didn't overspray them. And then I went in with similar watercolors and let the water flow around the creases in the tissue paper to accentuate those creases so they look like ripples in the water. And then at the edge of the waves or the sheet music, I added some more intense Viridian so that you could see the breaking wave better and the darkness of the water underneath the breaking wave. Once I had the waves more developed, I started work on the beach area. Um, I'm using raw umber here, and then I will add some burnt sienna in it. So it's a very wet wash, and I'm going up and down with my brush strokes so that eventually it'll look like the sand is dry, then wet, as wetter as it gets closer to the water. And then with white gouache, I went in straight from the tube, put some white sort of spatter to identify the edge of the breaking waves where the foam hits the sand, and that separates the sand from the wave. And then I purchased some silver glitter mix. It's got some iridescence to it, and I added that to some parts of the water just to give the idea of some sparkling water. So much fun. Hope you enjoyed this and hopefully it was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Leave any comments that you might have below. Thanks a lot for joining me.